Hi friends, in this video I would like to show you how to repair a power supply yourself. I had this power supply repaired before and now it's broken again. It was missed and after that it doesn't work. First of all, let's check it. I use a USB tester to test it. As can you see, the power supply not turned on. The next step is to disassemble the power supply and try to detect damage. This model of power supply should be opened carefully with a sharp object. I use a sharp knife for this purpose. Be careful when disassembling, don't hurt your hand. Let's take a close look at the circuit board. We see that in our case there is damage in soldering of contacts. This is due to the fact that the power supply was dropped. Use a soldering iron to solder the damaged contacts. After soldering, it is necessary to clean the board from flux. The next step is to assemble the power supply unit for testing. As we can see, the power supply is charging up. This means that the problem was in a contact damaged by the impact. After testing, the power supply must be taped for safe use. That's it for today's power supply repair. As you saw, it's a simple process if you follow the steps carefully. By checking the components, identifying the problem, and replacing any faulty parts, you can get your power supply up and running again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll be happy to help you.